With Formidable Forms, you can now add virtual fields. These store values entirely on the server, without ever appearing in your form's HTML, making it the most secure way to store data. To show how it works, let's create an order form for some lab equipment. We'll add a quantity field where customers can enter how many microscopes they want to order. Now we'll add a virtual field to store the price. This field won't show on the front end, so it doesn't matter where you place it. You can choose between different formats, or have the value be calculated or looked up. Let's set it to 25,000 as we're selling some expensive microscopes. Then head into Settings, Actions and Notifications. This is where you would create a payment action, but just to see how it works, I'll use a confirmation action. To make the calculation, write the FRM math shortcode followed by the field ID of the quantity field, multiplied by our virtual field ID, and then the closing FRM math shortcode. In a real setup, you'd paste this into the amount field inside the collect payment action, or you could use it in an email notification to send a price quote. You can also display virtual fields in a view. You can use them anywhere after the form has been submitted. But because the virtual field stays completely off the page, it can't be used in calculations or field level conditional logic. Now let's preview and see how it works. In this example, we'll order 3 microscopes, which gives us a total of $75,000. Try Formidable Forms now, risk-free, with our 14-day money-back guarantee.